If you want to know how I take my hair from this to this, then you've definitely come to the right video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine and how I style my hair. So for my first step, I'm just wetting my hair. I like to thoroughly rinse my hair with water because it removes dirt from my hair. I also did have gel in my hair, so I was just making sure that got rinsed out properly. Now that I thoroughly rinsed out my hair, I'm going to begin shampooing my hair. I'm going to be using my recent favorite Aussie shampoo. This shampoo really gets the job done and really cleans my hair. Every time I use it, my hair feels so clean and so healthy. I highly recommend it. When scrubbing your hair, make sure to use the tip of your fingers and not your nails to prevent you from damaging your scalp. All of the products that I use in this video will be linked in my description, so definitely go check that out. This is what my hair looks like after shampooing. Now I'm going to move on to the conditioner. I'm going to be using once again Aussie conditioner to condition my hair. I'm just making sure that the conditioner is getting applied all over my hair, especially in my roots, because I feel like that's the part of my hair that gets the most overlooked. Just like the shampoo, make sure to take your time when conditioning. As you guys can see, I'm more focusing on getting the product in my roots. So I just finished conditioning, now I'm going to move on to detangling. I'm going to be using the Spoiled Child pocket styling brush and the Y tooth comb to detangle. I'm going to be using elastics to section my hair. And once again, all of these products will be linked in my description, so make sure to go check that out. So for detangling, I like to take my section for more control. And I detangle and start from my ends and work my way down to my roots. Just making sure that there's no more knots. And this section is nicely detangled. If you guys want to see a detailed video only on detangling your hair, let me know in the comments. So after detangling, now I'm going to thoroughly rinse out my hair. Now I'm going to be using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Humidity. And just make sure it gets applied everywhere in my hair. This is actually my first time ever using this product. It was nice to use something new in my hair. It smelled so good and it made my hair feel really soft. And after wash care and adding the Miracle Moist, this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to be using the shower cap. I normally use a steamer, but I'm going to be using a shower cap for this video. The shower cap is going to stay on my head for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks so curly and feels so soft. I'm going to be rinsing my hair out now. I just finished rinsing out my hair. And I am just loving how my hair is looking right now. Now I'm going to use the TGIN leave-in conditioner and just apply it to my hair. And don't be shy with the amount of leave-in conditioner you guys are using. I remember the first time I ever used this leave-in conditioner and I just loved it. It nourished my hair and strengthened it. Shaking my hair always helps my curls to pop. This is what my hair looks like after using the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to use Eco Styler Gel. I've honestly been using this gel for years, guys, and I just love it. So what I do is I take the gel and just smooth it onto my section and make sure it gets evenly saturated with the gel. And my curls just look so good, guys. I'm just smoothing it more. And I like to take my 4 fingers and just rake my hair. I feel like it always gets my curls to pop. And if your hair ever gets dry, just take a spray bottle and just spray your hair with some water. And shaking your hair always helps. As you guys can see, my hair was getting a little too dry, so I'm just spraying my hair. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and let me know if you guys want a part 2 of my curly hair routine. My hair just looks so curly, guys. So I just used the unbrush and tried something new to see if it would make my hair curlier. So I just took some Eco Styler Gel and just rubbed it on. And I just started brushing my hair. And at first I liked how it was looking, but then I said never mind, because it wasn't really giving me the defined look I really wanted. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's fully done. And this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks extremely curly. Please let me know in the comments if you guys have any more video ideas you guys want me to do, and I will surely do them. I had a lot of fun making this video, so if you guys want to see a part 2, just let me know in the comments. But anyways, guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.